Hello students, welcome in our English lecture. Today we are going to learn from unit number 8.1. That name is Fire, Friend and Foe. Students, this is a scientific lesson. So we will know that what is the fire, how it is useful for us, as well as what are the drawbacks of the fire, that we are going to learn in this lesson. So first of all, students, we will take the introduction about this lesson. Fire is a necessary evil. It is a boon as well as curse. It has made our life comfortable, but we cannot touch it. It was the first great invention made by the early man. Students, now we are knowing how that is useful for us. So let's students, we will read and explain, take the explanation about a fire, friend or foe. So this lesson is about how fire can be both useful as well as dangerous. मतलब वो हमारे लिए अच्छी भी कितनी है और बुरी भी कितनी है. Fire can both useful as well as dangerous. Fire was mystery to the early humans. पुराने लोगों को ये एक हिस्ट्री लग रही थी. We know that it occurs due to a chemical reaction when the oxygen in the air combines with the carbon and hydrogen in a fuel, energy is released in the form of heat and light. This is called fire. Students, this is the definition of fire. Now we will see the particular temperature at which a fuel begins to burn. This is called its flash point or kindling temperature. जो फ्लैश पॉइंट की डेफिनेशन है वो यहाँ पे दी हुई है. Students, in the diagram also you can see that there can be no fire without fuel and oxygen and heat. Means that three things are most important for the fire. Fire is both useful and dangerous for us. Now we use fire to cook food, keep our houses warm and generate the electricity. So, however, fire can also destroy lives, houses and forests also. Fire can be controlled in three ways. The first way to control a fire is to take away the fuel. For example, if a car has caught fire, it can be controlled by moving away any nearby fuel containers. The second method of controlling a fire is by cutting off the oxygen supply. For example, throwing a blanket or wet blanket on the fire, it prevents more air from reaching it. The third method is to reduce temperature of the fire below the flash point. For example, spraying water over the fire reduces the temperature or heat. However, we should not spray water on electrical fires or oil fires. Before there before there were men, fire people would form human chains and pass buckets of water to put out fires. These days, trained firefighters handle all kinds of fire. They know how to put out various kinds of fires. Of fires rescues people administer first aid. However, fire is so important to us that it is worshipped in many parts of the world. So students, now we will see. On the whole, we have learned well to control fire and make good use of it in everyday life. Long ago, there were no firemen. The people used to bring and throw buckets of water on the flames. Now there are laws of stall firing extinguisher in every big buildings. So there are fire brigades in every town. Trained firefighters use their skills like cutting off power supply, pulling down weak walls, and spraying water to bring fire under control. They are also trained to provide first aid to injured peoples. Fire is still worshipped in many parts of the world. It helped early man to keep off animals and settle down in the safe places. So I hope students you understood all the things about this lesson. Thank you. Happy learning.